Dr. R.J.Shelke, working as an associate professor at Walchand Institute of Technology in Electronics Department. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss with the wireless LAN, that is a Bluetooth technology. The learning outcomes of these sessions are, after completion of this session, students are able to understand what is Bluetooth technology, what are the designing goals of the Bluetooth technology, and what is the user scenario in which the Bluetooth is working. A Bluetooth is nothing but a wireless technology standard which is used for exchanging the data between the fixed and the mobile device over a short distance of time, and it works in the frequency range of ultra high frequency range, which is a ISM radio bands, which is ranging from 2 gigahertz to 2.4 gigahertz. And the building it builds a personal area network like a LAN MAN connections. Here a network which is formed by the Bluetooth technology is known as a personal area network. The Bluetooth is a wireless technology which is also known as an IEEE 802.15.1. This is a symbol which is being used to represent the Bluetooth. Now, we all are familiar that when you want to we want to exchange a data between the two mobiles, then we are activating or enabling the Bluetooth services which are being provided. We are changing the setting of the Bluetooth services which is inbuilt in your mobile phone. For that, the mobiles should be within the range. You can see that the two mobiles can be shared the data by enabling their both Bluetooth use. Now, when you on your mobile, this is a display over the or a setting of the Bluetooth which is displayed on the Android phone. This is the example of the Android phone display Bluetooth. This first shows that it is a enabled. Bluetooth is in an enabled status, and which are the devices, the list of the devices which are being paired with this your Android phone are being listed over here. These are the Bluetooth devices. These devices may be of wristwatch, it may be your headphones, it may be your the speakers. These are the name of the devices which are being already paired with this Bluetooth devices, and few there also been some available devices which are also being listed over here. These are the available devices which are not yet paired, but they can be in the queue or in the buffer. Let us see the evolution of the Bluetooth. As we consider the evolution of it was created by the telecom vendor Ericsson in 1994 and managed by the Bluetooth Special Internet Group, which has more than 15,000 members companies in the area of the telecommunication, computing, networking and consumer electronics. And this devices is a purely open wireless technology standard for exchanging the data over a short distance. These are the website through which we can get the more informations related to the Bluetooth technology. The basic designing goals of the Bluetooth technology is to create a personal area network for the communication within the operating space. Means what? Now, when you want to exchange the data, you know that you have to connect to some network, you have to get some services from the network, and then only once a SIM card is assigned to you, a unique number is assigned to you, through that you can communicate to the different network you can communicate. But this is a small network, no need of having any service providers over here. You can just establish a connectivity between them and network, and you can exchange your data. And that network we are calling it as a personal area network. The limitation is that it is in a small region. The radio range is within the small region. Here, this is just we can see that initially when we want to get a data from one devices to the another devices, we need to have to connect with the RS-232 cable. So, it does, you can say that this is a wireless network formations through which we can transmit a data. That's why it is a replacement of wires supported by RS-232 cables. This is unfilled solutions overall the world, and it is working in the free band of 2.4 gigahertz to radio range of and the range where it is been working, it is in the till the physical layer. The advantage is that the designing goal is that you should have a low power, small in size, the devices should be small in size, and will also should be with the low cost. Another designing goals are it should be market potential, means it should compatible to the existing applications. Also, it should have a distinct identity, and it should create a ad hoc network connection without any wire. These are the few peaks of the devices available in the market. You can see here, this is a device which is a headphone, like when you can connect to your ear directly. So, and this is like a pen drive through which you can connect to your laptop or desktop, so that you can establish a Bluetooth network if the laptop is not having the inbuilt facility. This is like a pen drive. You can use this as a Bluetooth for the connection with establishing the connection, or these are the chips which are available in the for their performing the projects also. The advantage of the Bluetooth, it works in the short range of 100 meter to 10 meter to 100 meter, and it is a wireless communication device, and it is for the when you consider for the data, it should be a asynchronized, and for the voice it should be a synchronized. It is compressed of hardware as well as the software. Few softwares are being implemented, inbuilt burned over that chip. The ad hoc network, so it uses the technology of the ad hoc network, so no access point is required. It is easily available. Just now you have seen that it is like a pen drive, you can plug in the chip. Also, the data rate transmission is about the 720 kbps. The coverage area, it covers through the, or it can transmit the signal through walls, cloths, baggage, etc. The advantage of this Bluetooth is its power is 100 milliwatts to 1 milliwatt. Usage is 2.4 gigahertz. It uses the frequency hopping technology, that is a spectrum technology, with the available bandwidth of 79 channels with the spacing of 1 Mbps, 1 megahertz frequency, apart from 2.4 gigahertz to 2.480 gigahertz. Each device has a frequency hopping of 1600 hops per second in the pseudo-random fashions, and this technology is useful for both unicasting and multicasting technology, and it uses the modulation technique, which is a Gaussian frequency shift keying. The disadvantage, it is used in the hacked, and it can be hacked, the data can be hacked. Once you know the password, anyone can hack your data. Hence, it has a less security. It has a low data rate transfer, as it is only 720 kbps, and it is a small within the small range. The data transmission is within the small range. Beautifying is an authentic accessing of the information from the wireless devices through the wireless connectivity, which is often a phone. That devices may be a phone, desktop, laptop, or personal devices. This allows the access, through this you can access a calendar, you can access a contact list, like a Google, how we have all the informations, you can transfer that data. The same thing can also be available through the Bluetooth. This allows the accessing of the calendar, contact list, and emails and messages. Bluefisking is an theft of the information through the target devices. These are the features. These are the various versions with their data rates and their data rate of transmission. Now, what do you think that? What could be the scenario in which the Bluetooth is being used? Let us see. The scenario where the Bluetooths are being used, which are called as a user scenario, are they can connect to the peripheral devices. That peripheral devices may be your personal computer, laptops, embedded devices, or any others. It also supports the ad hoc network, exchanging of the data among the two or many users. It also used to bridge a network between the Bluetooth can be a bridge between the two similar network. That network may be a GSM network. Just now we are discussing you can connect two phones. If the two phones are having the different services, GSM services, one may be having the Idea services, one may have the Geo services, they can connect through the Bluetooth. That two devices can connect to the network, to the Bluetooth network, or it can be connected to the internet also. Here you can see that here is the scenario, user scenario with the peaks, which can, here is the PC peripheral devices. You can have a wireless mouse, that is Bluetooth mouse, printer, tablet, or keyboard. These all devices can be connected to the PC through the wireless by using the Bluetooth technology. Others may be other devices like a digital frame. It may be a RF remote control, or it may be a digital video camera or a wristwatch. You can connect to your PC, or you can connect to the mobile also, that is a blood pressure measure monitoring, also a health caring meters, and also a pedometers. Other devices, entertainmenting devices, that audio and headphones can also be connected. That is a handset, speakers, you can connect to the any devices. This is an embedded Bluetooth products. All are having they can connect, have a Bluetooth service. These are the references through which data is being collected. Thank you.